Hello everyone, I'm Jerry Erickson Cyril. Today I'm gonna present about my part, which is demographic analysis. Alright, today I will share some interesting insight about traveling trips and their purpose. Based on the data collection, we found that 100% of the recorded trips were for vacation purpose. This means that every trips in our study was met with the intention of taking a break, exploring new place and enjoying leisure time. Vacation play a crucial role in our life. They allow us to relax and experience a different culture and make lasting memory. Since all the trip our data set were vacation in highlight how important leisure travel into people. This image contains statistical data on travel habits related to the meta fair. It highlights key insights such as why people attend the fair, how frequency they travel annually, and whether they consider themselves frequency for traveler. Alright, so next is a few interesting takeaway. The most common reason for attending the meta fair is to seek travel promotion. That is 44% of respondents. Most participants, 67.6%, identify as frequent traveler, meaning the traveler travel at least a few times per year, and 3 to 4 trips per year is the most common traveler frequency, like 43.6% of respondents, followed by less than 2 trips annually, which is 41.3%. Next is some insight about people travel habit based on the recent survey. First, we look at how often people travel each year. The majority of them said that they travel 3 to 4 times annually, followed closely by those who travel less than twice a year. People travel more often than that, with a very few taking trips 5 to 8 times a year. Next, we move to the bar charts. This image presents two bar charts analyzing attend motivation of the meta fair and their travel habit. The first chart's main purpose to meta fair highlight that most visitors, about 44%, attend to seek travel promotion by followed this planning their next trip and first trip. The second chart, frequent traveler, suggests that the majority identify as frequent traveler, meaning they take multiple trips per a year. Next, we move to the bar charts. This image presents two bar charts analyzing attend motivation of the meta fair and their travel habit. The first chart's main purpose to meta fair highlight that most visitors, about 44%, attend to seek travel promotion by followed this planning their next trip and first trip. The second chart, frequent traveler, suggests that the majority identify as frequent traveler, meaning they take multiple trips per a year.
Hi everyone, today I will explain factor analysis, a useful method in SPSS that helps find hiding pattern in data. Factor analysis takes a large set of information and group related items together. This makes complex data easier to understand. It is commonly used in psychology, marketing, and research study to explore connection between different variables. To make sure our data is good for a factor analysis, we check two things, which is the Kaiser-Meyer-Olkin-Kempf value and Ballot test of the sphericity. The high KMO value means the data is the suitable and Ballot test confirm the variable is are related. SPSS help us to find a group of related items using a simple component analysis (PCA). This method shows how the different factors connect, making it easier to see pattern. We also use varimax rotation, which make this connection clearly. In the end, factor analysis help researchers simplify data and uncover important insights. It's a powerful tool for making better decisions based on the real pattern. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Nazmi Ashraf bin Muhammad Tamin. Matrix number BB231100054. In this part, I will explain how to transfer Excel data to Smart Palace using the data that has been given in ITEL, namely the Malaysian Tourist Vacation data. In the data is given in the form of SPSS and we convert the data in Excel form. Then just import it into Smart Palace. The process we do is in the data given, press File in the upper left, then press Save As, select the storage location for the file that we choose, such as document, and change the Save As type to Excel and press OK, and the data has been transferred to Excel. Then in Excel, convert it into CSV form to be imported into Smart Palace, because Smart Palace can only import CSV data. The step: click File in the upper left section and press Save As. Save the file as usual and convert the file to CSV and save. Next, to the Smart Palace section, press New Project and enter the file name, Malaysian Tourist Vacation. Next, select Import Data File that has been converted earlier and press Open. As shown, all the data from Excel has been transferred into Smart Palace. Finally, press Import for the final step.
Hello, here I want to present a model that describes the relationship between travel purpose, travel frequency, frequent traveler, and then travel motivation. The model starts with two main variables on the left, namely travel purpose and travel frequency. These two variables consist of several indicators. For travel purpose, there are three main indicators, which is Info 1, Info 2, and Info 3. While the travel frequency, there are 10 indicators named Extreme 1 to Extreme 10. These two variables directly influence the frequent traveler variable, which is category that refers to someone who travel frequently. In this context, frequent traveler acts as an intermediary for mediator variable. Next, the frequent traveler. Kau pula alang sini. Next, the frequent traveler variable is measured through 13 motivation items, labeled from MOT1 to MOT13. This shows that a frequent traveler usually has various reasons or impulse to travel, whether due to work needs, personal desire, or other factors related to lifestyle. From there, we see that frequent traveler influence the last variable, which is travel motivation. Travel motivation is measured through 5 indicators, namely DES1 to DES5. This show that a person's travel motivation can be explained through life to 5 dimensions that may include aspects such as the desire to relax, explore new culture, build a social network, or improve personal well-being. The entire cut dulu. So the entire model depicts a flow of relationship that start from the intention and frequency of travel, forms the category of frequent travelers, and ultimately influence their level and type of motivation in traveling. In short, this model not only helps us understand the relationship between variables related to tourism, but it's also important in formulating marketing strategies, developing tourism products, and also predicting future tourist behavior.
Okay, to ensure the convergence of our measurement model, we refer to the outer loading value for each item. So the analysis show that all items have loading value above 0.70, which is the minimum benchmark for being considered convergently valid. For example, items such as DES5 0.878 and Extreme 5 0.901 demonstrate very strong loading on their respective construct. This means that each item significant contribute to the latent variable in present. Thank you.
Good morning and hi everyone. Today we will present our study on how travel motivation influence destination image and the moderating effect of extreme event including act of the error, airline disaster and natural calamities. In our research, we use Smart PLS software to build the measurement model and structural model to understand how these factors interact. First, measurement model to ensure the reliability and validity of the model, we analyze several key aspects such as loading and cross-loading. All indicators have value above 0.70 indicating converse validity. Second, average variance extracted (AVE). AVE value confirm the reliability of each construct with travel frequency have the highest value, which is 0.72. Cronbach alpha. All major constructs show high value indicating good internal reliability except travel purpose which need the further review. Discriminant validity. All indicators show strongest correlation with their respective construct than with other. Composite reliability (CR) and RSO value. This support the overall reliability of the model. Thank you.
Okay, hello. So I will using Smart PLS and we test whether extreme event as a moderator, the relationship between travel motivation and destination image. So the interaction coefficient is a negative 0.207 with a p-value of 0.057. Although not a statistical significant at the 0.05 level, This result is close to the 19% confidence threshold. It suggests that extreme events such as disaster or crisis that may weaken the influence of motivation on destination image. So this finding is an early signal and highlighting the need for further research, especially in the context of post-pandemic or uncertain global travel condition.